Ditch the Unite squad. Easy peasy, let's get you logged out of Pokémon Unite on your Nintendo Switch. First, from anywhere in the game or even from the main Switch menu, press the home button on your right Joy-Con. This will bring you back to the Nintendo Switch home screen. Now, navigate to the system settings icon. It looks like a little gear. Use your control stick to highlight it and press it to select. In the system settings menu, scroll down to the bottom. Keep going. Almost there, select users. It's usually near the very bottom of the settings list. Okay, you will see a list of profiles that is set up on your Nintendo Switch. Select the profile that you are using to play Pokémon Unite. Now, scroll all the way down this menu until you see Sign Out. You found it. Click on Sign Out. A message will pop up. Click Sign Out one last time. This signs you out of your Nintendo account on the Switch, effectively logging you out of Pokémon Unite and any other linked game using that account. That's it. You're logged out. Enjoy.